Hello, my name is Jake with Classic Trim Parts, and today I'll show you how to replace the sun visor mounting clips on R129 SL class vehicles. It's a very simple installation process, and these are available in all of the OEM colors on our website. These are the parts that are located right here, and they're what the sun visor clips into. So I'll show you how to replace them. So for the first step, you will need a thin screwdriver, just like this. It could be any screwdriver, but basically what you're going to have to do is just pry open this flap here on the sun visor clip that is already on the vehicle. So I will do that now and show you. You're going to want to remove the sun visor first from the clip and just push it out of the way, and then open up the clip with the thin screwdriver. And that flap should come right undone. For the next step, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, and that's because right behind that flap we just opened there's a Phillips screw, and that screw is what holds the sun visor clip into the vehicle. So just remove that screw, be careful not to drop it as it's coming out, and the sun visor clip will detach from the vehicle. You can pull it out once the screw is loosened enough. So now that we have the clip removed, all you have to do is insert that screw back into the slot, pull it through, and then we're going to slide this back into the hole that the sun visor clip was originally into. Make sure to fit the screw into the slot, and you can tighten it a bit as you're sliding it in. Push it in to make sure it's flush, and then tighten your screw. And then you can just slide the flap down, hook your sun visor back on, and your mirror should work as good as new. So this is the old clip here, and you can see sometimes the metal connections here may break or become damaged, and that's why people replace these. But these sun visor clips that we sell on our website come with the metal clip, and they come in all colors. So if you need to replace yours, you could visit our website. The link will be in the description. Thank you for watching.